Run ye to and fro through the streets of Jerusalem, and see now, and know, and seek in the broad places thereof, if you can find a man, if there be any that executeth judgment, that seeketh the truth, and I will pardon it. And though they say, The Lord liveth, surely they swear falsely. O Lord, are not thine eyes upon the truth? Thou hast stricken them, but they have not grieved. Thou hast consumed them, but they have refused to receive correction. They have made their faces harder than a rock. They have refused to return. Therefore I said, Surely these are poor, they are foolish, for they know not the way of the Lord, nor the judgment of their God. I will get me unto the great men, and will speak unto them, for they have known the way of the Lord, and the judgment of their God. But these here altogether broken the yoke, and burst the bands. Wherefore a lion out of the forest shall slay them, and a wolf of the evening shall spoil them. A leopard shall watch over their cities. Every one that goeth out thence shall be torn in pieces, because their transgressions are many, and their backslidings are increased. How shall I pardon thee for this? Thy children have forsaken me, and sworn by them that are no gods. When I had fed them to the full, then they committed adultery and assembled themselves by troops in the harlots' houses. They were as fed horses in the morning. Every one neighed after his neighbor's wife. Shall I not visit for these things, saith the Lord? And shall not my soul be avenged on such a nation as this? Wow. Jeremiah chapter 5, verses 1 through 9. If you can handle it, eat it. We can apply that passage of Scripture, Jeremiah 5, where it says, Go run to and fro and see if you can find a man that fears God and executes judgment, and I will pardon it. Run to and fro in the city of Jerusalem. Well, put the name of your town or your city in there, and it would apply. Run the test, if you doubt my word. Run out in the streets, but don't, make sure you watch the traffic and the byways, and see if you can find one man that hates evil, worships God, and the Lord will pardon the sins of that city. And the reason why the sins haven't been pardoned is because there isn't anybody. One of a city, two of a family. But the ones that are his are hidden. They are not part of the populace of the desolate cities where the walking dead in sin live in their iniquity.